Okay students, previously I given one definition for rational numbers and one definition for irrational numbers, and then we explained inserting or finding rational numbers between rational numbers. Now I am going to explain about irrational numbers. Here we are going to explain one more definition and then inserting everything we learned here. Okay, then here irrational numbers. Just previous video I given just a brief explanation about irrational numbers. Here we are going to explain one more part of that. Irrational numbers. Previously what I said, numbers which are not in the form of p by q, which are not in the form of, not in the form, numbers which are not in the form of, which are not in the form of p by q, q not equal to 0 and p comma q belongs to z, we discussed previously. Now I am going to explain one more. What is irrational number? Here we have some history of this irrational numbers which are not in the form of p by q. Now we are going to I am going to explain some points about irrational. Who introduced these irrational numbers? The students, already you know about Pythagoras. Pythagoras is a great mathematician. He given formula to find Pythagoras formula. Pythagoras formula already familiar to you. Side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square. That is suitable for a right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, side square plus base square plus perpendicular height square is equal to hypotenuse square. Already you know that. Who introduced these irrational numbers is Pythagoreans. What is Pythagorean? Means the followers of Pythagoras. Pythagoras, he started one institute named as Academy. It consists of nearly 200 students. All those 200 students, they are calling as the followers of Pythagoras. They are calling as Pythagoreans. Those Pythagoreans only introduced these irrational numbers. Pythagoreans introduced numbers which are not rational. Numbers which are not rational, those are irrational numbers. They introduced those irrational numbers. The Pythagoreans only introduced these irrational numbers. In that academy, in that Pythagoreans, Hipparchus is the mathematician. He said that root 2 is an irrational number. Root 2 is an irrational number. Who introduced these irrational numbers? Pythagoreans. In that mainly we can hear name Hipparchus. There are so many myths are there about this Hipparchus in the history. If you want to see, you see in internet, or else we discuss in a separate class later about Hipparchus. Okay, this here the one problem is that this Hipparchus revealed that about irrational numbers outside of the academy, or people who are not belongs to that academy. He revealed that secret to outsides. Then an unfortunate end is happened to this Hipparchus about this revealing about the irrational number root 2. Irrational numbers. Who introduced irrational numbers? The followers of Pythagoras, Pythagoreans. Hipparchus mainly given root 2 is the irrational number. But afterwards, after this Hipparchus, Theodore as one more mathematician, he given after root 2, he given explanation for root 3 and root 5 and root 7. These are all irrational numbers. He said that root 3, root 5, root 7 up to root 17. He said that. We have proofs for all these numbers, irrational numbers proofs. We'll go to 10th class next year. In that next year 10th class we have explanation for all these proofs for irrational numbers. Okay, Here mainly irrational numbers. Who given this idea about irrational numbers? Pythagoreans. And the mainly who is a scientist, who is a mathematician? Hipparchus. After Hipparchus, Theodore given root 3, root 5, root 7 and all this. Okay, this is about the second definition. What is the second definition of irrational numbers? Now I am writing that. Irrational numbers, the set of irrational numbers are in the form of root over, this is square root of n, square root of n. Here what is n? N is not a perfect square. N is not a perfect square. N is not a perfect square. And cube root of n also. Cube root of n. N is not a perfect cube, and so on. Cube is not, n is not a perfect cube. Next, fourth root of n. N is not a perfect raised to the power of 4. Okay, perfect the number, perfect number which is raised for fourth degree, perfect square. What are the examples? Now I am giving one example. What are the perfect squares? I give clear explanation for this. This is second definition. Irrational numbers are in the form of root n. N is not a perfect square. What are the perfect squares? 1 into 1 is 1. 1 is a perfect square. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 is a perfect square. 1, 4, 3 3 is 9, 4 4 is 16, 5 5 is 25, then 6 is 36. These are all perfect square numbers. These are all perfect squares. But for the example, root of n, square root of n, n is not a perfect square. Those numbers only irrational numbers. That means root 2, 2 is not a perfect square. Root 3, 3 is not a perfect square. Root 4 value is 2. 2 we can write 2 by 1. That's why 2 is not a perfect square. Root 4 is not an irrational number. Next, root 5. Next, root 6. Then root 7. Then root 8. Then root 9 is not a. What is root 9? 9 is a perfect square. 9 is a perfect square. So this perfect square is not suitable to this set. Then root 9. What is root 9 value? Root 9 value is 3. 3 we can write 3 by 1. 3 by 1 is p by q form. P by q form is rational number. Then this is out from this list. Then root 10. Next root 11. These are all irrational numbers. What is the example? Irrational numbers are in the form of square root of n. N is not a perfect square. Not only perfect square, we are going to for perfect cube also. What are the perfect cubes? 2 into 2 into 2, root 8. 2 into 2 into 2 is 8, right? Then cube root of 8 is equal to 2. Now we can't take 2. Then cube root of 4, cube root of 5. These are all irrational numbers. Once again, what are the irrational numbers? Now I am taking square roots. What are the irrational numbers? Root 2, root 3, root 5, root 6, root 7, root 8, root 10, root 11. These are all square roots. Not only square roots, we can take cube roots also, which are non-perfect cubes. Cube root of non-perfect cubes. Okay, these are all irrational numbers. What are the irrational numbers? What is the second example? Second definition of irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are in the form of square root of n. N is not a perfect square. If it is a perfect square, that is a rational number. Here one point I want to explain. Numbers which are not rational, those numbers are irrational. Not rational numbers are rational, not rational numbers are irrational. Okay? If a number is rational, that is not a irrational. If a number is irrational, that is not a rational. Again, altogether rational and irrational combinedly we call it as real numbers. Already we discussed previous video. Okay, this is second example. Now